Okay, winners, let's get started. So we'll take one of the cube steak. We're gonna dip her in the egg wash. Then we're gonna dip her in the flour. Get her nice and floured here. And then we are going to dip her back in the egg wash once we get her good and floured. Then we're going to set her aside. This is what it looks like. We're going to set her aside on a plate I have over here. I already have a pan of oil prepared. I just have some canola oil. And I put in about an inch of oil in a huge skillet. You'll see that. I put about an inch of oil in there. So we're just going to season these guys. I have 8. So this is a cube steak dinner for a family of 4. Have 8 cube steaks, so everybody gets 2 cube steaks, if they so like. So we're just gonna make sure she gets nice and battered. Put her to the side. And I'm not gonna record all of this, we'll just record a few. And I'll do the rest off camera. And we're just gonna batter these. So once in the egg wash, then in the flour, then in the egg wash again. And the hope is that we get a nice crispy batter on these country fried cube steak. This is my first time cooking cube steak like this. Usually when I cook cube steak, I just pan fry it with some chopped onions. Season the cube steak first, of course, and then just pan fry it with some chopped onion. So we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to do the rest off camera, and when I come back, I'll show you how I just put them in the skillet with the hot canola oil, and we'll fry these bad boys. So we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're ready to drop these into the canola oil. Here's our skillet here with about an inch of canola oil in it. And so I'm going to put some more flour on these because they just don't look like they have enough. So I wound up using this entire box of Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. So I'm gonna just give them another dip here and then just drop it in. Making some chicken fried cube steak for the first time. So we'll see how this turns out. Chicken fried cube steak. Dropping it in this skillet that has an inch of oil in it, and just gonna let it fry. I want to turn the vent on, but I'll wait until we're off camera to do that. I'm gonna drop one more in here, so that'll be 3 of the 8 cube steak we have. I'm gonna put a lid on here. Have my water boiling here in this pot. Have some water boiling for my Idahoan buttery home style potatoes. So we're gonna have those. Also gonna cook some just steamed, some frozen green beans, you know, the kind you steam in the bag. I have some of those in the freezer. So we're gonna have the chicken fried cube steak with white gravy, and we're gonna have the buttery home style Idahoan potatoes. Chicken fried steak is gonna have that, oh, I said white gravy. And we're gonna have the buttery home style potatoes and green beans. Gotta have something green, right? So we're gonna let these fries move this from this hot stove. And we're gonna let this fry, and we'll be right back. All right, so Sunday dinner is done. Look at these beautiful chicken fried cube steak. You can clearly tell the ones I cooked first versus what I cooked last. Look how beautiful these are. And then the ones I cooked last, they have just a little bit of burnt on them, but I think they'll still be good. So we have the cube steak here. And remember, I cooked some white gravy to go on that cube steak. That's just a pack of white gravy. I want to keep stirring it because I don't want it to get lumpy. So we got some white gravy here. We have some Idahoan mashed potatoes. And for our greens, some green beans. So we're gonna plate it real quick. quick taste. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm gonna cut one of these in half because I don't want a whole cube chicken fried cube steak. I'm gonna cut it in half, and that's what it looks like on the inside. No red, no pink, just like I like it. All right, we're going to, I'm excited. I don't eat a lot of potato, but what else you gonna have with chicken fried cube steak, right? So, just a little bit of potato for me. Grab a spoon here. A little dollop of this white gravy right on my country fried cube steak. Nummy num num num. All right, and then a little green bean. I just season these green beans. These are a bag of great value green beans. 6 minutes in the microwave. I put olive oil and then some garlic powder on them. So I'm gonna plate that, and let's see how this tastes. Grab a fork here. All right, let's see what it tastes like. That's good. I'm amazed that it cooked a little bit too long. That's a little dry. It's good. I'll take the potatoes. They're just potatoes in the bag. Couldn't mess those up. Sunday dinner winners: chicken fried cube steak, mashed potatoes, green beans. All right, we'll see you on the next cooking video, winners. Bye.